This is my draft final project for Info 250 about how to do online legal research. The topic I chose to do was evaluating authority through the lens of a legal research problem in which a user first tries to answer a question using Google and then by using a subscription-based database. The target audience is someone who needs to learn to use Google and subscription-based databases to solve legal research problems. The learner will need access to an internet-connected computer and to be either somewhat familiar or to familiarize themselves with computers and the internet. First, I will determine the learner's level of familiarity with computers and the internet. If they are already familiar, I can move straight to a discussion of the types of legal resources that are available, where to find them, and how to use them, though they might still require an explanation of specific tools. Free resources are Google Scholar and Google Docs, for example. Subscription resources are LexisNexis, Westlaw, Hein Online, and JSTOR, for example. Online citator functions are Shepard's and Keysight. Shepard's being from LexisNexis and Keysight being from Westlaw. Then I would explain the types of legal resources that are available, where to find them, and how to use them. I would also explain the benefits and drawbacks of free search engines versus subscription databases. How to find the information you are looking for. The research steps the learner should take regarding their legal issue are to contact or go to a law office or law library. Ask a lawyer or other legal expert to point you toward legal resources relevant to researching your particular issue. Note that if you talk to a legal expert who is not a lawyer, they will only be allowed to point you toward the appropriate general subject area. They will not be allowed to give you specific advice on how to proceed. Only a lawyer is allowed to do that. I will be using existing web materials such as search engines like Google, subscription databases like Westlaw, Nexus, Hein Online, and JSTOR, and YouTube. And I will also develop print materials, overheads, and instructional videos. Instructional goals clearly define the goals of the training and can save a lot of time and effort. Once you have clearly defined what your instructional goals are, you will be better equipped to develop the instruction. At the conclusion of the instruction, learners will be expected to demonstrate basic familiarity with solving legal research problems using both Google and subscription databases. Once they understand what they want to search for and have familiarized themselves with the applicable tools, the learner can then use those tools to research specific cases and statutes relevant to their particular legal issue. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this presentation interesting and informative. And here's a list of references that I used in this presentation.